Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 3a and let me share with you how to enable the nightlight or a comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the display. Now let's scroll down and find the nightlight. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher and you can see that the screen turns yellowish or amber. So let's tap on the nightlight to customize it, and here with the usage of this intensity switcher, by going to the left we can make it cooler and by going to the right warmer. We can also schedule it. We can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the nightlight accordingly, or choose the option from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So this is basically how it works. And if you would like to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully and let's find the nightlight in this section. So let's tap on it to apply it and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.